I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back. If you have been following me, you know that I have been decluttering our home for now a few years. I actually started with some challenges like 30 bags in 30 days and a 30-day decluttering challenge, and then with my own series is Time to Declutter. So as I'm decluttering this time around, I wasn't really following any type of challenge or list or anything like that. I wanted to take the time out as we were kind of going through the house. I want to share with you that I'm still decluttering, but I'm doing it as I'm going. For instance, I actually got my husband Jay to actually start attacking our garage. Right, no judging. This is our current garage situation. Have husband's DJ stuff here, but as you can see, I have our hutch and all of our formal furniture all underneath that area. So baby steps, and I gotta go through this stuff too. And then this half. And what? No, we cleared all this up. Or actually, Jay did. He's putting away his tools there. And then I put some stuff up in the attic. That still needs to go up. I need to go through this box. This are tarps and stuff that I gotta go through, but basically for painting. Jay, here's an empty box. There's a lot of empty boxes. Let's go with that. Donations. Just that stuff there. Stuff is garbage. Gotta find a place for these. Do 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 do. Donate. Ooh, I wanted to use these. Put my stuff inside. And I remember I got two, so I wanted to. I was supposed to line the shelves with this. Oh, my favorite salad bowl, because they didn't fit. So I got to figure out a way how to store those in the kitchen. Wish me luck. Alright. This I got for free. It's old. Brand new. Could donate that. Alright, donate.
Bag of bullets.
I'm thinking, since this bag is new, just gonna remove his pool table balls here, and he's gonna donate those, and that will make a great little camera bag for my little Canon G7X. I haven't got a camera bag for this camera. Only had this camera for a couple of years now. Okay, so I'm making really good progress here. Perfect timing. It's gonna be spring, so that is great for the garden. Okay, obviously I put these VHS movies in here, and I must have somehow forgot to donate this, so that is all gonna go. I still have to go through this. I don't know. But for sure these can go. I think these can go, right?
I don't know. Is there anything in there we want? It doesn't matter. We haven't watched it in a million years.
Well, now you can just order on demand or Amazon or Netflix. Yeah?
Yeah. Take that in the suitcase.
This is some of our stuff from our beloved bear. And I'm just going to leave it here curbside for our neighbors. So we have a lot of animal lovers and so forth around here. So see if we can do that. These are still here, but look, it's giving Jay some more to add. Stop. Let me show you guys what happened the evening before today. Jay is actually going through all of the electronics. So I don't know if you guys remember when I was going through the office here and I had a bunch of stuff for Jay to go through. Well, he's been actually going through a lot of stuff. So we have a recycling that's going to be coming around tomorrow. And so we get rid of our HP monitor. He's trying to figure out what that goes to. And yeah.
That was from
all of these Jay went through. There's like, oh no, electronic stuff. And we have
there you go. You want to take it? You want me to take it?
It took a while for him to do this.
Making it.
How do you feel? But this is the happy dance. Victory. Okay. First donation. End of day one with the husband. Made some progress. We actually have all this space now here. So slowly but surely. We're not done yet, so you got to stay tuned for part 2 as we kind of continue on with the garage. I think that's going to take some time. Another thing I was trying to do is also keep a shopping bag in my closet, and I am adding into that as well. So bits and pieces, I'm trying to see what I could maybe perhaps decide to get rid of that maybe I thought that I was going to keep, but I'm just not finding myself wearing a blouse or maybe a pair of jeans or something that I thought maybe I would. So I'm kind of making sure that I kind of go over some of the clothing items that I decided to keep on my last declutter. So as I'm going, I'm adding to that bag as well. Got my husband to finally declutter his side of the closet, but he was also saying that he wanted to add some more items to donate, so I was pretty happy with that. We also went through one of our cupboards and we got rid of our coffee mugs because we just had way too many, and it was such a struggle to find a way to place them back into the cupboard nice and neat. And finally we just said, what are we doing? Because we were trying to stack them up so that they wouldn't like come tumbling down, and sometimes we had to put them in different shelves and it was just getting way out of hand. And putting away the dishes is hard enough, you know, because I don't enjoy that, taking to unload the dishwasher and put all your dishes, and I'm just making way more of a hassle than it really should be. So we went ahead and we downsized some of our coffee cups that, you know, are either chipping or we're just not using. So why are we holding on to those things? I don't know. So these spark us joy, right? Actually, these can all be donated, and then these ones here can go to Vegas because these are Mom's. We forgot about these. That one Mom just got from my sister. I like this one, however, that one can probably be donated. I love getting cookbooks when I go thrifting at the thrift stores, so I'm trying to bring in new cookbooks and utilize those, as well as going through my cookbook selection and taking out some of those cookbooks that I am just not thumbing through, or either I already took out some of the couple of recipes that I wanted to keep and I have that in my cookbook binder now. So now I can go ahead and let go of those cookbooks and let someone else enjoy using them. Okay, I'm going to donate this one and that one for right now and see what the kind of books I can drop off at one of the drop-off book. I'm still a work in progress. I mean, uncluttering this home is going to take some time. Did you know that the main reason that people are unable to unclutter their home is because they just can't get started? Sound familiar? Yeah. I was really thankful about the challenges that I took place in. I will link those down here below. Thank goodness for those declutter challenges. If you're like me, it really held me accountable. I got rid of a lot of things. I mean, 30 bags the first time around. That was huge. That was major. The second challenge got a little bit easier. And then when I created my own series called Time to Declutter, it just was basically I am focusing on areas where I never got to before, or my problem areas that I was not looking forward to even start. And it really made me take a look at why I keep things, and you know, sometimes it's emotional, personal, the way that we were raised, that we inherited. You know, it was just way too overwhelming. So I totally understand. But this time around, I'm kind of going around the house and doing a little bit of here and there on what I can see what would need to be just a quick declutter. So that's what I've been kind of doing in the beginning of spring. I plan to do more decluttering videos, so make sure you click that little bell over here for a notification, because I plan to get started back on in our garage, in our bedroom again. I just feel like I can get rid of so much more. I feel like I barely even scraped the surface, but I also want to get into organizing. Organizing is key. Going through a lot of things, a lot of paper clutter, which I can't really film so much because it has so much of our personal information on there, but I am trying to keep up with that as well, since we just came back from Vegas. I'm not making excuses, but you know, I'm trying to now transfer and transition all of our Vegas stuff in back here into this home here. So kind of working those out. Dun dun dun. All right, it's shredder time, and tomorrow is garbage day, so I want to get as much as I can get done without making a complete mess. As you can see, I have not been doing very well with keeping up with paperwork, so I want to go through some of the stuff, and I also have a box below here that needs to be shredded, so better get it done. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit of uncluttering that we have been doing in the month of March, and stay tuned for some more. But if you just get started, even if it's like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you can allow yourself, just pick a spot. Even if it's something more easier to get you started, like your purse, or like your nightstand maybe, or maybe your medicine cabinet, something small, and then you can gradually get into bigger projects. I mean, use 5 minutes to unclutter. I mean, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes, right? Look at us. It took us a long time to even approach our garage, and we're finally there approaching our garage. I'm not too sure how long that's going to take us to finish it, but at least we got started. So make sure you click that little bell over here for a notification so that you will not miss the before and after of uncluttering our garage. Everybody's into spring cleaning right now, right? So make it part of your spring cleaning, a ritual. Once a year, twice a year, part of your spring cleaning, right? Uncluttering or decluttering our homes is like an ongoing thing that is just like doing laundry, doing dishes, making our beds. You get the picture. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, I would love it if you click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. And go declutter something. Seriously, just get started.